I wanted to share this floral display that's made with just a few Dollar Tree items. Pretty simple, looks upscale, and can be used any time of the year. It starts with a Dollar Tree glass candle holder, and then you're going to paint that. And I used this Rust-Oleum American Accents heirloom white. It's a nice soft white color, and it's in a satin finish. And I just sprayed that glass candle holder, and then when it was dry, I just kind of scruffed up some of the edges with my thumbnail and then set that aside. And then you're going to take a 2-pack of the Dollar Tree cookie sheets and then start trimming off the edges where the bumpy pattern stops, and then just discard those edges. And then you're going to take a recycled can, food can, soup can, whatever, just make sure it's cleaned up and be aware of any sharp edges. And then take that cookie sheet that you just cut and make sure it's lengthwise and line it up to the upper lip of the bottom of the can. And then hold that in place with your thumb and then line it up to the bottom of the lip on the upper part of the can. And then I just put a little snip in it just to mark it. But kind of look for that line along and then cut along that line. And then I just hot glued it to the can. And then I took the whole thing and just glued that to the top of the candle holder. And then I added this little Dollar Tree clip chalkboard, and then that was about it. I added a couple Halloween Dollar Tree items to just give it a little fall feel. And if you want to, you could use live plants if you put a glass bottle inside or something so the water doesn't leak out. If you like this, please subscribe, hit the bell if you want to get notifications. And then if you would like a material list or instructions, please click on the link right below in the description below the video.